In the equity quadrant, taking a look at the December S&P futures, which flirted with a positive change on the day all session long, however on low volume. As a matter of fact, the S&P switched from below Friday settlement to above Friday settlement 9 different times during the session today. And with a little bit of time left on the session, it seems like we're about to test the negative bounds again as we sit only about 5 basis points above Friday's settlement of 56.2975. The high today, 56.3925, was up about 17 basis points, so not even 0.2%. The low 56.0925 was down about 1/3%. The volume today, if it holds, keeping in mind that this is preliminary volume and not official volume, we won't get official volume until sometime tomorrow. This would be the lowest volume session in the last 23. One of the reasons we have so little volume today, and probably tomorrow as well, is we're waiting on the FOMC meeting. And this is one of the most uncertain FOMC meetings in very recent memory. Right now, it's 57%, 43% in favor of a 50 basis point rate hike. And that's a switch from just midweek last week. We were in that 70 to 80% probability range, according to the CME Fed Watch tool, that it would be a 25 basis point rate cut. Now it's leaning much heavier toward a 50 basis point rate cut, but it's still right there in that toss-up category, and hence the uncertainty and the low volume. So you're not going to see a lot of risk-taking with this kind of uncertainty. I haven't seen any FOMC meeting this close in quite some time. Tomorrow, we also have retail sales due out, and they could affect market participants' perceptions of the coming FOMC meeting. Headline retail sales month over month is expected to be down by 0.2%, with core expected to be up by 0.2%. But Johnson Red Book weekly retail sales has been showing some strength. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. If there's a potential upside surprise or downside surprise, we could get some short jolt of volatility into the equity markets.